Minecraft time.
Should I stream me making this list?
That sounds like a good idea, TBH. Time to get disconnected from the server like 20 million times.
Oh well.
One of the server rules is if you have netherite, you can't attack someone in chainmail armor.
Why that specific rule?
It's like supposed to prohibit like veteran players from like harassing the newbies.
Oh.
Because the newbies get free chainmail.
Oh, I see. I don't remember my username for Twitch, I'm just guessing.
I'm following you. I could probably find it on my tablet if you want.
Oh, I figured it out. I did remember it.
That's not the direction I need to be going in. Be going this way. What the fuck? These things are looking at me.
Oh my god, Scream Kiwi is live right now.
Ooh.
I'm gonna actually no. I freaking should stream. I should not watch her stream. That's actually a stream I might possibly care about, but I don't care about Resident Evil 4 enough.
Time to go home to my house. I'd prefer if it was not nighttime, but whatever. Up to a coffee shop. Who had cool pants made me want to dance. Do 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 do. Home sweet home. My home does not have a door, but that's not important.
I guess this would be just chatting.
Suppose so.
It would be making the list.
The list.
The list.
It is time for the list. Coffee shop. Had cool pants, made me want to dance. Do, 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 do. A lot of oak wood. There we go.
Ooh. Okay, I think I'm live.
Yay.
Awesome.
My house is so fucking sick.
Your house is so fucking sick.
Yee.
Can I see?
Yeah.
OMG, that is so fucking sick.
I've been disconnected again.
No!
Ah.
Baby arugula.
Par for the
And
course.
Alfredo sauce.
I think there's just like too much going on this server.
I think I need to eat
Aw.
better rice than the fucking shitty rice we have from the food pantry. I can't. It is like
Yeah, fair enough.
too mushy. Is like the issue, I think. I freaking am trying to think. I don't know what other kinds of rice Walmart has.
Jasmine rice.
Do you think that that would be the right thing, though?
I don't know. I just know it's like the go-to Asian rice.
I don't think that's correct, necessarily. because Japanese rice is way different than that.
Let's go to American immigrant Asian rice.
Okay, fair. I usually have basmati rice. Jasmine rice is pretty cheap. I know we can get rice even cheaper at Winco, but freaking...
Fuck that shit.
Yo, do we want a 20-pound bag of rice?
Sure.
Because it's only $22.73 for a 20-pound bag of basmati rice.
Damn.
And that shit is good. And it's EBT eligible.
Yay.
LMAO, that's funny. That's why we always had those huge bags of basmati rice. My dad was probably getting it even cheaper than that because he was buying them at fucking Costco, and this was before inflation.
Damn.
I remember he'd come home with like 2 or 3 just like huge like 20-pound bags of fucking rice.
God damn.
Yeah, we ate so much rice all the time. We have plenty of soy sauce, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
We need oranges. Or do we have any oranges?
I do not think we have any oranges.
Okay. Can you go check on the corn?
Yeah. Bum, bum, ba-da, bum. I find no corn.
Okay. I have to buy these recipes. Okay.
Dumb.
I want to make a glazed salmon, I think. We're just gonna make this as bougie as possible.
I am the big lag. Ah! I am the disconnect.
Honey ginger glaze? That sounds fucking good as hell. Probably good. The ginger would be good for my autoimmune.
Yeah. the city. That's a llama. That's 2 llamas and a wandering trader. Hello, wandering trader. The wandering trader has nothing of interest.
Oh my god. I think that this recipe is going to be really yummy. I freaking I'm freaking feeling happy that I know how to cook right now to be able to make this recipe for real. How do I make this link be cute?
I don't
Is that cute?
know. Is arson an option? Unfortunate.
Yeah.
Not my area of expertise then.
There's this person in Vegas who I think you would actually get along with. Their name is Alex. I think his name's Alex. I don't know for sure the pronouns.
That name is too similar to my name.
Your name is Percy! How are these similar? Do you need more hot cocoa or protein powder? I know I asked already.
I need more hot cocoa. I do not need more protein powder.
Sorry, I promise I did pay attention when you said it. I just forgot. Do you
You're
need
good.
pizza rolls?
We
Do we have any?
do not have any.
Okay, then yes, we need them. For me. And then chicken nugget. Is there any turkey left?
Yeah. 4 packets. Oh,
We have mayo and mustard, yeah?
yes.
Do we have sourdough bread?
We have like a few slices, but we're nearly out.
Okay. Well, we have some of this other bread in here, so I'll cope with the less than ideal. And then we have lettuce in the fridge still. And we have avocados.
Nice.
And onions and garlic. I'm not supposed to eat tomatoes, so I won't get it. Oh, lactose-free milk. Do we need more butter?
I think we've got like 2 more sticks,
Okay. Including the one in the fridge, or?
including the one in the fridge.
Okay, I think we'll get it next time. Because we'll be fine if we run out for like a day. Ooh, I wonder if they have like boba teas that are like canned.
Yeah.
And I wonder if they have those at Walmart.
Ooh.
Because Because that shit is... I mean, it's not, like, as good as a fresh boba tea, but it's, like...
It's good.
Fun. I don't care. I like the little boba balls in it. Do you need any other breakfast food?
I do not think so, no.
Sure. What about Pop-Tarts? Yes, Pop-Tart?
I bought the Pop-Tarts because they were on, like, hella sale at Winco. I have no real attachment.
I think I want sausages. Because sausages are way more food than bacon is.
Yeah.
Like, it's like the difference is crazy. And we have the turkey already. And we're gonna get the pasta.
I think
We
yes.
should get eggs. Also, because I won't eat those Show me. I also want cream cheese. Do you need any cheese?
Yes, but I need cheddar cheese.
Sharp or mild?
Sharp, preferably.
Gluten-free chips that I am enticed by.
I want hot Cheetos.
Is that a bad decision?
The hot Cheetos don't make me sick. Takis make me sick.
Okay. Do you want?
I want hot Cheetos, yeah. I also want Takis, but I'm not buying Takis.
Fair. Ooh, we should get goldfish.
Yes.
Freaking, I wish my EBT worked. I wish I didn't have to go fucking...
Back.
Yeah. Because I might have just done something stupid.
Do you want to go together tomorrow?
I guess. Yes.
Like, yes. If you say so.
Not really.
Yes, but only because you told me to.
Okay, this stream might have to end because I don't think that it can do split screen. I don't think it can stream split screen. Oh, it's doing it. I don't think it's supposed to. Oh, wait. This jasmine rice is actually even cheaper than the basmati. It's fucking 20 pounds for $16. What the fuck?
That's a lot of rice.
They sell yellow rice? Or no? I freaking... trying to remember. There's like the one rice that has the vitamin A in it. Is that yellow rice?
I don't know anything about vitamins and rice.
No, it's like genetically modified to be that way though.
Oh. Interesting.
Yeah, because freaking people get vitamin A deficiencies in a lot of places in the world because their food sucks. Huh? Oh my god, did we already have a list going on here, or did this read my mind?
Oh, yeah, we already had a list.
Okay.
Started.
I'm like, what the fuck?
Whenever you suggest we get to... Ah!
Oh, you actually have been putting it on the list?
Yeah.
Fucking epic. I freaking... In my brain, that has just been going into the void.
No, I did not void it. it disconnected from server.
No, always.
Annoying.
Long grain rice, icky. Enriched rice, stupid to me.
The fuck makes it enriched?
They fucking take all the nutrients off the rice and then put them back on.
It's weird.
It is weird. Oh my god. How do I... Oop, I accidentally put my address on stream. For a second.
I'm the super hot and cool Minecraft YouTuber on this server.
So hot and cool. No enriched rice. Get the fuck out of here. Lundberg Family Farms.
Interesting.
Me. How many pounds is 32 ounces? 1?
2?
2?
I think 16 ounces is a
that makes
pound.
sense.
Could be entirely wrong. Ah!
Why is the freaking organic stuff so cheap? What the? The Lundberg Family Farms does have the cheapest rice.
Ooh. Are there any reviews?
4 out of 5.
Nice.
Oh wait, this takes shipping. That's shipping. Oh, if we want to buy 20 pounds of rice, they're gonna mail that shit to us. Whatever. That's fine.
The shipping should still be free.
Yeah, I think it is. I should probably stop streaming while I'm using this app because I don't want to keep flashing my fucking address.
Not optimal?
No. How do I stop being live?
Press the power button.
The power button?
Like, turn your screen off and then on again.
Oh, I figured it out a different way.
This dude's gonna get banned for spamming admin abuse in the chat.
Do you think it's the one little kid who's fucking with him?
I think, like, whoever was, like, yep, possibly. There also, someone's, like, in the chat was like, there's 2 hackers online. So I don't know what's going on. There's some kind of drama happening.
You're just not even a part of it.
I'm making my house. I'm chilling away from spawn. Making a ladder to the end, and like I keep I keep dying of starvation.
Oh shit! Also, this is in season right now.
Ooh.
I'm gonna also buy some lemons. 2-pound bag of lemons.
Nice.
I think we should freaking... I don't know. I really want to, like, grow something. Like, productive. And I think that... I don't know. There's, like, no way to do it, though. Unless we could clear out one of those cubbies or something. Or put up another shelf behind my desk. Like, drill something into the wall.
I think I could clear out one of the cubbies.
Okay. It would have to be... Yeah, there's stuff up there that I feel like should just be thrown away. Or donated or whatever.
Yeah. Let me get 64 netherite ingots. Mod. I'm not doing that. Gamer boy, why?
Frozen corn is probably a lot more expensive than just straight up corn, but like, whatever. Sorry, I did not listen to what you said very well.
Some kid on the server, give me 64 netherite ingots. Admin, no. The guy asking for netherite ingots, why not?
Oh my god. Oh my god, we could buy a case of fucking frozen sweet corn for $103.
Oh my god.
Do we need $85 worth of corn?
I don't think we do.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't think we do.
You're wrong.
I mined like 10 pieces of gold and I have 4 gold ingots.
I want to buy 20 pounds of potatoes, but I feel bad making the guy carry that. Thank you.
I can tip some cash, it doesn't matter.
Okay. You're gonna be carrying 20 pounds of potatoes and 20 pounds of rice. Well, they won't have to do it again for a while. Oh, they don't even sell 20-pound bags. We can buy 20 pounds of sea salt
Oh my god.
for $54.
Dude, I don't think we need.
Are you sure? We never need to buy salt again. What?
This dude's like, come on, just give me the netherite. I'll give you $1 on Cash App if you give me netherite.
I don't know how much to get. Probably just a pound would be reasonable. Bomb! Wait, I need to look up what herbs you can smoke. You can smoke rosemary.
Interesting. The horse loves me now. Where is your other llama? You used to have 2 llamas.
What I should do is make like an herb in the future. Not right, but like I don't know when though. Like probably when we move into the new space and I actually feel comfortable using the living room to do a project. Ooh, you can smoke mint. Smoke like a mint.
I don't know what I should name my horse. This dude's gonna pay the owner $1 to get netherite.
Oh my god.
I don't think this dude will even be able to use the netherite. He doesn't have diamonds.
You can't buy peppermint straight. Do they not sell this? Oh, they sell these plants. I smoke with a minty weed, I guess.
is not growing. And it's
Oh.
been like 10 in-game days.
That's really annoying. We're gonna have a fuck ton of parsley. Because it's the same price to get a fuck ton as it is to get a little bit.
I'm gonna go into my neighbor's house. My neighbor's house is filled with obsidian. Looks like they have gotten griefed. Who would grief this house like this? Ah! Disconnected again. Join in the rain. This place got exploded.
Shipping is insane on this product.
What's the product?
It's a special kind of like seasoning oil.
Oh.
It's a type of cooking rice wine, and it's fucking like $18 for like 10 ounces.
Damn.
And they said you could substitute vinegar, so I probably will just do that. And deal. I'm not spending it.
Going down into the mines.
I'm trying to buy a fucking pound of kosher salt. Or 3 pound. I'm gonna buy 3 pounds of kosher salt, so we just don't even have to fucking worry about it, because it's like $4. I don't understand how the economy works. I'm just gonna buy literally like 30 pounds of food right now. It's gonna cost like nothing. How many?
Two. Two cucumber.
What kind of hot cocoa do you want? Swiss miss? Or what?
Whatever is cheapest by the ounce.
Do you want marshmallows in it?
No preference on that.
It's the same price. With or without?
Then
No. Is 8 packets good?
is there sorry.
That is the cheapest one. That looked like it was already doing it by ounce.
22.5 per ounce. I think Nesquik.
Wait, 22.6?
Yeah.
This is 22.5.
Yeah, it makes a little difference.
And you prefer Nesquik? Or?
I feel like the packaging will be easier to deal with.
Okay.
You're good.
No, I'm kidding.
I gave you instructions and then decided against the instructions.
just want to buy as many pizza rolls as I can. No, I should probably look at what is the, like, actually best deal, because sometimes the one with the most isn't actually the best deal. Counterintuitively.
Like, because people buy the ones with the most
Mm-hmm.
without thinking. So then they end up with a bunch of, like, ones with, like, 50 count
How
instead
do
of
you feel
100.
like trying the Walmart
Yeah, sure.
version? Yeah,
Can we get the Walmart version of chicken nuggies?
yeah, probably.
Yay!
Because they are way cheaper than the brand. They're 10 cents cheaper per ounce.
Damn. They also taste better. Or at least I know the chicken nuggies.
It only comes with 40. So I think you should get...
Sounds
no,
solid.
our freezer is tiny. I think we'll be fine. We have, like, actual food. You're not just going to be sustaining off of these only.
Correct.
The cheapest ones are the ones that come, like, in a little thing with mac and cheese, which is so fucking gross. Like, I mean, I just remember eating that all the time as a kid, but thinking about eating that as an adult, I'm like, The fucking plant-based ones are cheaper.
By how much?
I don't know. It's $5.18 a pound for those ones. And then it's in ounces. So if it's $5.18 a pound, and this is, what's 20 times 32? It's like $6.
640.
So it's like $6.40 an ounce for these, or a pound for these. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm doing my math right. So these ones are still cheaper.
Do we know the nutritional content of the plant-based ones? Like,
I can see.
if there's similar protein contents, then plant-based.
Because they'll probably be almost exactly the same texture-wise.
Yeah. I burn them to hell and back anyway.
Oh my god, yeah.
Crunch.
Okay, so fat, 9 grams, carbs, 18, protein, 11. Or I should just fucking screenshot that, because I'm not going to remember any of those numbers. I know, you're dyscalculic, as probably.
Excuse you, I know all of the numbers. All the way up to 7.
Yes. These are actually better for you. The fucking plant-based ones. Because the plant-based, they have the same fat. The plant-based ones aren't reporting what kind of fat they have, though, I guess. The plant-based ones aren't reporting any cholesterol. So, like, you know, like, there's an amount of, like, who the fuck knows.
Yeah.
With American packaging. They're just not reporting it, but that doesn't mean... They're reporting no sodium, but then it's higher carbs, which I think is probably good for you, and then same protein. So it's just more carbs, which I think is probably good. And then, I don't know, the one that Walmart makes has to report, like, way more factors. We should try the plant-based one. That's so weird that the plant-based one is better. Oh, we're gonna have to... They come in, like, boxes. They come in 10 ounce. Or wait. This math might be mathing, actually. This is...
Hey, what the hell?
The packaging. The way they're packaged is more expensive than the meat ones.
Ah.
That was an interesting fucking thing to go through and figure out that.
Send that information to your elementary school fucking math teacher.
Yeah, you won that time.
Yeah.
Dude, I figured that shit out for real. I can actually comparatively shop between two objects. Most people I genuinely don't think can do that effectively. Like,
that zombie is hitting me from like 10 blocks away.
what the hell? The server is fucked.
It is. Yeah. Some complicated ass bullshit. This is what my history teacher was talking about when he was like, oh, you don't want to learn how to count? You're gonna go bankrupt at the grocery store.
I want to buy the name brand lactose-free milk, though, because these other ones, packaging is not as appealing.
Then buy the name brand one. There's no morality police that's gonna come after you. Morality police are gonna come after this random dude who just started hitting me for no reason.
I don't want to use that. Please. I don't want fucking lactose-free skim milk. Ew. That's literally gross. What the hell is ultra-filtered milk?
I think the lactose is already on the list.
Is it?
The red thingamajiggy.
Oh, it is.
Yee.
Yes! They do have it. Oh, they can get it shipped. I can get whatever flavor I want. Is it really $14 for one of them, though?
I don't understand the economy.
It's literally $14 for one. That's not...
Do we have any potatoes left?
No, I ate them all.
Okay.
I'm ordering more.
Cool.
I can not. This is not... Okay. There is one that is a reasonable price. Oh, they have fucking packets. Make it.
Ooh.
Oh, I could get fucking V8.
Every 10 minutes, people start chanting that, like, the anvil's broken. And I don't even know where said anvil is.
I think that this is gonna be... These are really expensive to get at Walmart. Apparently, I'll have to fucking go somewhere else to get
Asian
them.
market, question mark.
I think, Asian market or Smith's. Asian section.
You're against supporting your local Asian. No, I'm fucking
God.
around.
Oh my god.
What are you, racist? Like, gasp! I'm gonna call the police on you.
This fucking order is expensive as fuck.
R.I.P.